Most paint damage doesn't come from accidents. It happens every time you drive. Gravel, sand, salt, and road debris are constantly hitting your vehicle, slowly chipping away at your paint and causing damage that builds up over time. What starts as a small imperfections eventually leads to fading, oxidation, and costly paint corrections. That's when paint protection film, or PPF, completely changed the game. PPF is a high-performance, crystal clear film that acts like an invisible shield for your vehicle. It is designed to absorb impact from road debris so your factory paint stays untouched underneath. Rock chips, scratches, and everyday wear hits film, not your car. Even better, PPF is engineered with multiple layers, including a strong adhesive layer, a durable impact-resistant polyurethane core, and self-healing top coat that helps reduce light scratches with heat. That means your car doesn't just stay protected, it stays looking newer and longer. We also offer customized PPF packages based on how much protection you want. From target front end coverage like our highway package to expanded protection with our ultimate package, all the way to full body wraps that completely shield your vehicle. There's a solution for every driver. Beyond protection, it helps preserve resale value, reduces sore marks, and keeps your finished-looking showroom clean. At Sun Control of Minnesota, we specialize in premium paint protection film installs built to protect and evaluate your vehicle. Call or check out our website today to get your free quote and upgrade your vehicle with alternate protection.